For over 3 decades, Sheerspeed Shelters have been leading the way in the design and manufacture of quality-made work tents, marquees, shelters and gazebos from our well-equipped manufacturing facility based in Honiton, Devon.
We cater for police and forensics, railway tents, work umbrellas, mobile vehicle tents, telecommunications, incident tents, fire, search and rescue shelters, custom-framed marquees and gazebos, portable screening, piping shelters, filming tents, modular shelters, welding tents and elephant site tents.
It's important to understand that Sheerspeed tents are specifically designed and manufactured above the market average for strength and durability. This therefore enables them to withstand the rigors of the maintenance industry or for the intended environment they were built for. The Sheerspeed RF welding facility offers 100% waterproof seams, helping protect valuable equipment in trying conditions. We build quality work tents and shelters that are quick to erect, robust, lightweight and fold away for storage with ease. Sheerspeed's tents are sold around the world in all types of sizes, designs and colors at affordable prices. You can expect easy installation, storage and flame-retardant safety benefits when you purchase a tent or shelter from us. Irrespective of their origin, Sheerspeed provide a repair service for all work tent products. We also have a large stock of accessories and spare parts for any additional products which are needed promptly, along with many off-the-shelf standard products at very competitive prices. Sheerspeed Shelters also offer a full tent and marquee hire service for many varying events and occasions. We take great care in the products we manufacture for our customers, and they come with many unique advantages. They include being able to offer our clients a superior translucent material which allows natural light into the tent working area, exceeding the performance of traditional white translucent materials. Our speed tents can be stored in the wet and still be fully functional and quick to erect. We are solely dedicated to the design and manufacture of work tents and marquees built to customer specification and can therefore offer the best possible prices. For more information on how we can help with any project or solution requirements you may have, please contact us today.